तेलंगाना असेंबली में आज मजलिस के फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन के 4% का मसला भी उठाया। इन्होंने कहा कि बाज़ मीडिया में ये खबरें आ रही हैं कि तेलंगाना पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के तकर्रुरात में जो रोस्टर सिस्टम पर अमल हो रहा है उसमें सिर्फ 3% मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन की निशानदेही की गई है। इन्होंने इस पर गहरी तशवीश का इजहार करते हुए हुकूमत से पुरजोर मांग की है कि वो रियासत में हो रहे तमाम तकर्रुरात में 4% मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को यकीनी बनाए, जिस पर रियासती वजीर KTR ने हुकूमत की जानिब से ऐवान में तयक़ुन दिया कि हुकूमत 4% मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन को यकीनी बनाएगी।
I would like to bring to the kind notice of Honorable Minister Sahab once again upon the promise which was made to the Muslims of the states of Telangana for providing 12% reservation. Honorable Minister Sahab was quiet on this, and at the same time, sir, there is a confusion regarding the new recruitment. A roster has been created in which it is being read in the media that 4% reservation is not being followed, and instead of 4, only 3% reservation is being given according to the roster. If so, kindly clarify this. And thirdly, sir, the 4% reservation case is going on in Honorable Supreme Court. I request the government to please take all necessary steps to see that the 4% reservation which is being provided in the state of Telangana to the Muslims is protected.
You also spoke about 4% reservation. I will assure you, sir, through this house, to all the Muslim brothers and sisters in the state of Telangana, that we will ensure that the 4% is protected, because we are fighting that battle in the court. You are fully aware. So we will ensure that whatever reservation is today, standing today, it will be implemented, and we'll also further, push the agenda which we had passed through this August House.